Hi, I'm Jill Yesko, and this is Carrie Bonato, and we're with Discover Organizing. We have a do and a don't tip for you today. The do is that we really want you to think about a professional, whether it's a professional senior move manager or a professional organizer, as really your vehicle to getting things done in your organizing project. Having a professional there that's trained to help you make decisions, to make you feel supported, to guide some of your actions, and to be there when you get upset is a really important part of your organizing success, I think. What do you think about that?
I think if you have someone to help you, it's a lot easier to tackle those hard tasks. I think a lot of people look at all the things they have and say to themselves, I can't do this alone. And that's where we can come in, take a look at what you have and lead you in the right direction. It goes quicker, it's faster, and it really feels a lot less of a chore.
It does. And teamwork is so important with us, because if one of us can help you get the job done quickly, but the other person is kind of pairing up with the client, like in a body double situation, where we're just being next to the client and helping them make a decision, but then we have an additional professional organizer or senior move manager kind of cleaning out the basement or sorting out the attic or helping to get papers in the right order for decision making. It's a really good way to build on that team. And with our company, we can add a lot of people to a job, but you really just need one person to get started, and that should be the person that really helps you. Now, I would say, when you say, Carrie, don't tackle big jobs alone, what are some things you consider about that, like in terms of safety? And I know there's like attention, right? Like being focused on a job, but what kind of concerns would you have about, let's say, someone that's maybe an older adult trying to get up in the attic by themselves?
Well, as we all know, attics are not the most friendly places to begin with. When we work in an attic, we're normally very safe. So we always have someone. We try and do it with 3 people, one at the top, one on the stairs, and one at the bottom. That way we can get items out of the attic safely, and then the client can look at them downstairs on a table, not crawling in an attic. So that's what we would suggest when you're clearing out your attic.
That's a great idea. And that's your tip for today.